Good afternoon guys, this is Mami Nati Vlog. Ayun guys, may ipapakita naman ako sa yung current news. Yung tungkol kanina. Kasi kung alam nyo po, di ba nakatakas nga si Alice Goo. Nakapunta na sa Malaysia, Singapore at Indonesia. So ngayon, nag-vlog ako na kung pwede pa cancel yung mga passport nila. So na-cancel po yung mga passport ng mga yun. Pinakancel po ng ating immigration. So na-trap yung dalawa kanina sa Indonesia. Parang nahuri yung dalawa sa Indonesia. Si Sheila Goo, na kapatid ni Alice Goo, at saka si Cassandra Leong. Si Cassandra Leong ay yan ang parang boss ng Lucky South 99. So nahuli na po sila at ngayon dinala na po sila sa Pilipinas. Nahuli sila sa Indonesia at pinick up ng mga military doon sa Indonesia at ngayon nasa Pilipinas na po sila. So panoorin niyo guys. Ano yung mga updated talaga ako sa mga news na nangyayari. Gusto ko talaga napaparod kasi para aware ako kung ano talaga yung kahihinat na ng mga kaso natin. So, ko talaga sa mga ganung pangyayari, sa mga news na ganun. Talagang nakatutok talaga ako doon. So, let's watch guys.
She will be turned over, I believe, to the NBI or the PNP. They will be investigated here. Pero one thing is that yung talagang paghahanap kay Aligo, saan siya magtatago, talagang hahanapin siya through our different agencies abroad.
By the NBI so they can determine conduct the inquest proceedings. We're still trying to find out how long they will be processed under the custody of the NBI because we know for sure that they will be separated. Although they are riding one van right now, they will eventually be separated because one has an arrest warrant with the Senate and one will be taken to the House of Representatives. But the processing time coming from the NBI, that we are still trying to determine. We're still on our way to the NBI right now. A lot will end, and if the House of Representatives and the Senate will be able to
through the law enforcers, which is really the protocol.
So BI first, and then
it will be BI first, and then the Cassandra Leong will have to go through inquest proceedings over the weekend due to the several crimes that are going to be charged to her.
And then how about Ms. Goo?
Ms. Goo will have to be under the custody of immigration dahil yung charge naman sa kanya po ay immigration violations.
So, wala pang arrest warrant si Cassandra?
Sorry?